When it comes to upgrading your home, a new door can do more than just improve curb appeal. It can also boost energy efficiency, security, and overall property value. But while many homeowners in Tuscaloosa may consider handling door installation as a DIY project, hiring a professional is often the smarter choice. Professional door installation not only guarantees a proper fit and finish but also saves you both time and money in the long run. Avoid costly mistakes. One of the biggest hidden expenses of DIY door installation is the risk of mistakes. A door that isn't properly aligned can stick, drag, or leave gaps that compromise insulation. These issues may require additional repairs, replacement parts, or even a completely new door sooner than expected. Professional installers have the training and tools to get it right the first time, reducing the risk of expensive rework. Maximize energy efficiency. Tuscaloosa homeowners know how much the weather can affect utility bills. Hot summers and chilly winters can make an improperly installed door a weak point in your home's insulation. Tiny gaps and poor sealing allow conditioned air to escape and outdoor air to seep in, driving up heating and cooling costs. Professionals use precision measurements and expert sealing techniques to ensure your door fits snugly, maximizing energy efficiency and helping you save money month after month. Save valuable time. Installing a door may seem straightforward, but it's a time-consuming project that often involves more than just attaching hinges. Tasks such as adjusting the frame, cutting the door to size, insulating gaps, and ensuring security features function correctly can take hours, even days, if you're not experienced. By choosing a professional installation service in Tuscaloosa, you free up your time for more important things while ensuring the job is completed efficiently and correctly. Enhanced security and peace of mind. Your door is the first line of defense for your home. A poorly installed door can leave weak points that compromise your family's safety. Professional installers ensure that locks, deadbolts, and frames are properly reinforced, giving you peace of mind that your home is secure. This level of expertise is especially important when installing heavy-duty exterior or custom security doors. Long-term savings. While professional installation may seem like an upfront investment, it actually pays off in the long run. Properly installed doors last longer, require fewer repairs, and maintain their efficiency over time. That means you'll save on maintenance costs, lower your energy bills, and avoid the expense of early replacement. In many cases, homeowners in Tuscaloosa find that the money they save over the years far exceeds the initial installation fee. Professional guidance and warranty protection. When you hire professionals, you're not just paying for the installation, you're also gaining access to expert advice. Installers can help you choose the right type of door for your home, taking into account factors like climate, style, and budget. Many professional services also include warranties on both labor and materials. This added protection means that if something goes wrong, you're covered without having to pay out of pocket. Boost your home's value. Curb appeal matters, whether you're planning to stay in your home or preparing to sell. A professionally installed door looks polished and functions flawlessly, instantly improving your home's first impression. For homeowners in Tuscaloosa, this can make a big difference in both pride of ownership and resale value. Final thoughts. Investing in professional door installation is more than just a convenience. It's a cost-effective decision that protects your home, your comfort, and your wallet. From improved energy efficiency and security to long-term durability and expert guidance, the benefits far outweigh the risks of a DIY approach. If you're considering upgrading your doors in Tuscaloosa, hiring a trusted professional is the surest way to save both time and money while enjoying the peace of mind that comes with a job done right.